Hey guys, welcome to K6 Math. Today I'm just going to do a quick overview of a few nice online game resources for math games for kids in K6. So the first site we're looking at is called abcia.com. We're also going to look at Academic Skill Builders and then Math Playground. This is just going to be a quick overview because I'm going to do some more in-depth reviews later. So starting with abcia.com, this is a really great site, and you can see it does have a few advertisements at the top, but don't let that deter you. It's broken down by grades, as you can see here. Unfortunately, it doesn't have an obvious search mechanism to just search. Like we'll scroll down here to search in terms of just subject. And sometimes if you just, for instance, want to work on math, you might want to be looking by subject, and sometimes your kids might actually not be at grade level or, in fact, be ahead of grade level. So that's one small drawback here. But in general, they have really great resources. I'll just quickly go into grade 3 to show you. Okay, so here in grade 3, I'll scroll down and we can see they start with the category they call letters, which you may refer to in your school as English or language arts. And next, numbers. So that's going to be your math stuff. And again, some pretty cute games here. And ones that I've actually seen kids play and enjoy and want to play again and again. So this is great. And a few of these games actually come from some other sites. Like this one, for instance, is called Division Drag Race, and another one here called Jet Ski Edition. Both of these games actually are originally produced by Academic Skill Builders, which apparently must license them out to be displayed on other sites. So let's go to Academic Skill Builders next, and we'll take a look there real quick. First, their interesting name. It's Academics plus Arcade equals Fun Learning, and thus Academics. So if we scroll down here, if we look at the whole list, we can see there's quite a number of games. Keep scrolling a bit more. And this is a combination of both math and language arts games. So check out a few more. So I find it's much easier to go in on here by subject. They also do break it down by grade, as we can see at the bottom. But let's just check out, say you are teaching third graders and you want to see what there is for multiplication. You can go right into multiplication. Or if, say, you're working with fourth graders and you want to go directly into fractions, you can go in there. I personally find that an easier approach. So let's check out multiplication. Okay, it's not seeming to load. Let me try that one more time. Okay, maybe we'll come back to this one. Let's flip over real quickly to, oh, well, I can at least talk to the fact that one of the appeals of Academics is that kids can not only play individually, but they can actually play and compete with each other. And I know some folks think competition might not be such a great idea, but I find that when kids actually know their math facts to a decent level, that getting a little competition is actually a motivator. So anyway, we will come back later as their site doesn't seem to be responding. And we'll check out Math Playground right now. Okay, so Math Playground at first looks pretty crazy. Lots of links, advertisements, so on and so forth, but please don't let that deter you. If you can scroll down, you can see to the main area with resources. You can check these out. Logic games, math games, number games, what they call thinking blocks, math manipulatives, math word problems, and further down here. Okay, we have the iPad apps, Common Core Math, which is aligned to the Common Core standards. And then even more, math worksheets, math at work, which are actually cute little simulations that use math in problem-solving contexts, a Math Playground blog, and math flashcards. So this again has a lot of great resources. If we click real quick into the number games, we will actually see that many of these games actually come from the Archidemix producers. So you can get to them here or from Archidemix. Going back just real quickly. You can check out some ones that are a little more advanced, these math games here. So here's one that involves sliding blocks, so that's a little bit different, and equivalent fractions. So again, these include a couple that in fact are not from the Archidemix site, but are a little bit different types of games, angles, even some elementary level algebra. So there's just quite a number of resources. I'll scroll down so you can see. Ratios, transformations, some pre-algebra stuff, so on and so forth. So anyway, all three of these sites I found to be really excellent, but you do want to look at individual games to make sure that they are what you're looking for. But in general, most of the games linked from these sites are higher than average quality. So again, that's the ABC, Archidemix Skill Builders, and Math Playground. So I encourage you to check them out. Thanks. Talk to you again soon.